Good morning, Brian Manning here with your weekly update. Let's just dive right into it. So pretty quiet news week. News will pick up a lot more next week with a lot of housing data and inflationary data coming out. But let's see. So Monday this week, still kind of looking back at the employment report we got on Friday. Still kind of strange. Usually you see a big miss in employment report and super beneficial in the bond markets helping out mortgage rates, but not the case last week. Again, it just seems that investors are very happy to see this miss because it looks like the Federal Reserve is going to be on hold for quite a while for raising rates. Tuesday, quiet news day. Wednesday, got some information from CoreLogic in regards to foreclosures and mortgage applications. So purchase mortgage applications year over year are up 14%, so seeing really strong housing growth there. Also, what's really amazing is that serious delinquencies on mortgages are at a 9-year low. So only 3% of all homes in the U.S. with mortgages on them are 60 days or more behind. And what also is amazing is that of homes with mortgages, only 1.1% of them are in the foreclosure process. So still really strong housing data. Certainly people having equity in their homes is the magic elixir in the housing market. And we really anticipate seeing strong housing reports next week as well. And then Thursday this week, we got initial jobless claims. So we look at how many people file for new jobless claims every single week. And this week's jobless claims are actually higher than expected and potentially showing a little bit of weakness here in the employment market. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. Again, normally this is bond-friendly information, which means usually you see mortgage rates go down in a situation like this, but stock investors are liking it because, again, it keeps them in the position of thinking the Federal Reserve will not be raising rates anytime soon. Not a lot of data came out today. We got PPI, which is the producer price index that measures inflation on the wholesale level, and wholesale inflation is relatively flat, so we're not really seeing any inflation there right now. I will be around all weekend. If you have any questions, please give me a call. I would love to be part of your business and pre-approve your buyers if you have any questions. Have a great day.